Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. You are watching Facebook tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create a photo album on Facebook. Normally, photos are excellent way to share our memories with our friends. If we select a single photo, it will share only a moment. Whereas photo album on Facebook will help us to show a series of moments like a story, sharing with our friends. Click on photos. On the top, we will get create album option. Click on it. Enter a name for our Facebook album, add the description which is optional one, come to add contributors, select your friends so that they will also become as contributors and they can add their own photos, text photos and more into this album. After this, click on upload photos or videos, then it will open file upload window. On desktop I have a folder with photos. Select the photos to include into the album. To select multiple photos, hold the control button on your keyboard and click on photo. After selecting the photos, click on open and notice that they will appear in the album in the order they are selected. To modify or remove a photo, click on three dots on top. From the options, we can select to remove photo or rotate it to left or right. And below each photo, we can add description. And to change the photos order, over the cursor below the description, when we get a four-sided arrow, by holding the left mouse button, drag the photo to the selected location. And if you want, we can add a location to your photo. And finally, click on post. And we can see the photos we added into this album. If we want, we can also add new photos by clicking on add to album. Similarly, it will be published as a post on our timeline. Next, let's check the post in the friends Facebook whom we added as a contributor. They will get a notification. Click on it to view the post, and they can view the photos by clicking on an image. If they want to add their photos into this album, simply they can click on add to album. Otherwise, come to their timeline, click on photos, come to albums. Here they will get the photo album. Click on it to open, and they can add the photos by clicking on add to album option. If they want, they can also download the photos we added into this album. Further, they need to click on three dots and select to download option. If we want himself to remove as a contributor, click on three dots on photo album and select to remove as contributor. Then it will open a notification window. You won't be able to add anything to this album after you remove yourself. If you are okay with this, click on remove. You are no longer a contributor to family vacation. Like this, we can create a photo album on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.